In this video, I'm going to show you how you can appeal for any restricted account. In my previous video, I showed you 4 things, 4 assets that Facebook will ban. Number 1, your Facebook account. Number 2, your business manager. Number 3, your business page. Number 4, your ad account. These 4 assets can be recovered or restored if you appeal. Not only appeal, you should be able to also chat with support and see how it goes. So today I'm going to show you how you can appeal. So without wasting time, let's dive. But before we dive in, of course, I'm Osida Amola. I run Facebook advertising agency, and I talk about sales, marketing, and advertising. So if you have any challenge running your ads, you can always chat me up and let's see how we can help you manage your business, your Facebook advertising. I do that on monthly basis for my clients, and I also have a mentorship training where I mentor people one-on-one and show them how to run Facebook advertising profitably. Okay, so you can see account, add account disabled. So what do? See details. Why that account was restricted. You can see it here. It's clearly written, add accounts. Okay, Meta business account. The add account has been restricted. So if you check your account quality, you will see details of why. See, this is as a result of payment method. It could be because of payment method. It could be because of ID confirmation. It could be because of policy violation. It could be because of repeated rejected ads. Maybe they rejected your ad account. Your ads severally. Okay, your account could be restricted. It could be because like payment method. And for payment method, you just click on this add payment method and you will see how you can be guided to make your payment. But what I want to treat today is how you can appeal. Once you click the button will show you request for an appeal. Once the button is clicked, then you request to be going on. That request means that a human team has to review the restriction. Actually, when you are restricted, it is a bot that does restriction. And what it's saying is this: there are keywords that have been programmed into the bot. And once that keyword is seen in your ad copy, in your creative, or sometimes your landing page, probably your landing page does not have the legal documents. Of course, you can have some restrictions. Once you have the restrictions, just click on the button. If the button is highlighted like this, okay, if it's not graded out, click on it and then the request process will happen. The request process means that a human being or human team, internal team, has to review your ad and see what is really going on. So the next thing you do after appealing, okay, what do? You come to this button here, this help button. Okay, you click on it. You click on it, you will see create new case or chat with support depending on what you are dealing with. Let me just say I'm talking about this. Let me copy. I'll copy this. I'll copy it. Let me just copy it. Once I click on it, I'll copy it. Then I'll click new case. Then say other issues. Then come here and look for this is the other accounts. You pick the other accounts. Then, of course, you come here and look for request add preview. So you can come here and say add account, select. They're asking you, what do you really want to do? What's the issue? So you come here and see my other account has been restricted. Okay, if you don't have anything like that, you can see other issues, other account issues. Let me choose that. It's still okay. Then once that is done, you will see what the next thing to see. You will see where you can see chat, call, email address. So I have the opportunity to chat with support. So I'll come here and say hi. we need to understand that Facebook wants you to succeed. Okay, so when you are chatting with them, be nice. Just tell them what you want. Tell them the challenges you are going through. You can even do screenshots and upload it. It's fine. So you can see, I say, please, my ad account has been restricted with the ad account ID. Then you paste it there. Okay, kindly help resolve this issue. Okay, it's as simple as that. There is no two ways about. There is no special thing about it. Now, in this case, this is not my ad account. It's for one of my clients, and the requirement is that he needs to. They've told us what to do, but I'm still waiting for the client. So, what do? I'll say, please, my client's ad account has been disabled, so I copy it. Now, when you see your client's ad account, they will only listen to you if you are an admin to this ad account. If you're not admin, they will not attend to you. They will tell you that you should consult with the admin, let the owner of the account chat with support. Okay, so I have an email address here. I don't want to use this email address. I want to use my personal email address. So then after I'll just say start chat. And normally Facebook support will chat you up using Messenger. Let's see how it goes. Open in Messenger. Continue as Moses. So normally when I have any restrictions like this, it's not an issue at all. The first thing I do is to go to account quality. I want to know why the account was restricted. Once I know the reason, I'll be able to chat with support and tell them this has been restricted for social reason. You can see chat with agents. I'll click chat with agents, and in some minutes I will start chatting with their support. Okay, you can see the support is trying to connect me with one of their support. So there is a support on ground. So I can paste what I copied before and send it. You can see Jeff has joined the conversation. Okay, so you can see the conversation. This is live. Okay, this is live. I'm chatting with support live. So it's not an issue once your account, maybe Facebook account, has been restricted or disabled, not permanently restricted. Even if it's permanently restricted, you can still go ahead and chat with support and make your how you feel. Just tell them that, oh, this has been restricted and blah blah blah, and you just chat with them. Sometimes they give you a call. I've been on call with Facebook support, sometimes 1 hour, sometimes more than 1 hour, discussing my ad account. Just have the right mindset. Facebook wants you to succeed, okay? And don't just take this notion of they restricted my account, that's the end of the world. No, don't do that. Like, I want Facebook advertising agency, and I've seen a lot of things, so many things rather. I've seen so many things. Facebook page restricted, Facebook account restricted, ad account, business manager restricted. But in most cases, I get these things back. So have the right mindset, appeal, and chat with support, and you'll be fine. I'm chatting with support right now. See, blah, blah, blah. I will do my best to help you with your concern today. I will say, okay. Yeah, I can even go ahead and do a snapshot. You see, so that's how you chat with support, and before you know it, the issue will be resolved. Where I'm checking, can you please go to facebook.com, I can't call you, then take a screenshot and send it here. Not acceptable. Just change it and submit again, and you'll be good to go. You see, is it okay to call you on your mobile phone? So this is the support wants to give me a call, and this is one of their practices. Sometimes they want to give you a call so that they can explain to you. So that's why I said, you see, don't be scared. Whenever you have any restriction, just appeal. And apart from appealing, you can also chat with support just like this. So I'm going to end this video here. You can see that easily I was able to chat with support. So if in your own case you cannot chat with support, you don't have that option to chat with support, just chat me up in the description section of my YouTube channel. Then I will tell you what to do. Can I have your mobile number? Yeah. Okay, so if you like this video and actually you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe so that all the algorithm can see that there is really the content is really relevant. Subscribe, share, make comments. If you have any video that you want me to discuss, probably do create a content about, just put it in the comment section and I'll be glad to do that. I'll be glad to do that. Don't forget, if you have any challenge, maybe you want sell a product, or you have a service you render and you're ready to spend money on Facebook ads, you can, and you need someone to help you on or manage your Facebook advertising, you can chat me up in the link below in the description section, and I can look at your account, and if it's something that I can take up, because I don't work with everybody. I work with people that have good budgets. If you want mentorship, I have a mentorship program where I teach you how to run Facebook ads profitably, because I run it virtually every day. Okay, so I want to believe you enjoyed this video. So make sure that you share, comment, like, and of course, share it. Send it